Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, August 18, 2023. Today is options expiration day, and the markets have been bearish all week. We're going to look at that information this morning in today's daily IQ. Let me go ahead and get this set up. We're using all four instruments. Our setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Currently, we're trading lower in the overnight session, so I've had a gap down from the gap direction library here. Next thing I'm going to do is go to price patterns and add some context around how bearish the week has been. And I'm simply going to say that yesterday's close was below the prior week close, which means we are opening below the prior week close as well, since I put gap down in there. So here's what I'm going to grab that right here from the active today, which says the close from yesterday is below the prior week close. That comes from our location of last open and close category here. If I scroll down, you can see it's been selected. Next thing I'm going to do is put us in a similar market environment. We close below a 10, but above a 200-day simple moving average. And lastly, in the market events library, I'm going to say today is options expiration day. That's right here, top option of market events from the active today section, which tells you what is true and applicable for today's session. All right, I've got everything I want. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when gapping down on OPEX day in a weak bull market when yesterday's close was below the prior week close. Historically, just 12 samples, very small sample size here for the S&P, 18 in the NASDAQ, 17 in the Dow, 13 in the Russell. Win rates on these a bit mixed. S&P, the weakest of the group, 42% of those closed above the opening print. NASDAQ, 61% closed above the opening print. Dow, 47%, and Russell, 46%. If we look at the average moves, average move to the downside larger here in the S&P, very similar in size for the NASDAQ. The Dow, a little bit larger on the upside. Russell, a little bit larger on the upside there as well. So overall, kind of mixed, not seeing a strong consensus in either direction. S&P is the weakest of the group. NASDAQ's the strongest of the group. And this is all on smaller sample sizes. So not seeing a strong bias here on this study. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.